Hello, learners. I welcome you to the next edition of our teaching today. I hope you had a nice weekend. My name is Harrison. Now today we have mathematics, specifically for basic 6, and our strand, which is the topic, is measurement of money. And our sub-strand, which is the subtopic, is transactions with money. Now, before we move on to the specific objective, I believe we all know what money is. Now, we use money to buy goods, we use money to buy food, we use money to buy shirts and other things. But today, we shall be dealing with money specifically. Now, let us look at the specific objective, and then that will help us to answer the questions at the end of the day. The first question is how to use money to buy goods and services. Now, before we continue, let us look at the starter for the day. The starter says fill in the boxes. We have some few amounts here that we have to add. The first one is 5 cedis, 20 pesos plus 2 cedis, which can be written as like this. Then we have 20, the 2 zeros. Anytime you are writing or you are dealing with transactions, remember to write the 2 zeros. Remember to write the 2 zeros. The 2 zeros to make it complete. So this is what? 2 cedis. Now we are going to add it. So 0 plus 0 will give us 0. 2 plus 0 will give us 2. Then 5 plus 2 will give us 7. So in we can mention this amount in words as 7 cedis, 20 pesos. Now let's move on to the next question, which says 3 cedis, 50 pesos plus 2 cedis. We have 3 cedis, 50 pesos plus 2 cedis, 50 pesos. So we have 3 cedis, 50 pesos plus 2 cedis, 50 pesos. We are still going to add them. So we have 0 plus 0 will give us 0. 5 plus 5 will give us 10. So we write the 0 here. As you always know, we write the 0 here, carry 1. Carry 1 here. So 1 plus 3 will give us 4. 4 plus 2 will give us 6. Then remember to bring the point here to make it complete. So now we have 6 cedis. Now the next one is 6 cedis plus 2 cedis, 50 pesos. So we have 6 cedis. There's 2 zeros here. You write the 2 zeros here. Yes. And then you write 2 cedis, 50 pesos. Then you add it. That will give you 0 plus 0 will give you 0. 0 plus 5 will give you 5. Then you bring the point here. 6 plus 2 will give you 8. So we have 8 cedis, 50 pesos. Now today we have some few examples here that we want to solve them one after the other. The first one says Joe bought a pen for 10 cedis and a notebook for 2 cedis, 50 pesos. And the question says find the total amount spent. So you went to the market and you bought a pen for 10 cedis. So the pen 10 cedis, the cost of the pen is 10 cedis. You bring this, and the cost of a notebook costs 2 cedis, 50 pesos. Now we are going to add the cost, the 2 costs, the amount that you spent during your stay in the market. So we have here pen, and then we have notebook. This is the cost of the notebook. So they are all in cedis. So the pen costs 10 cedis, the notebook costs 2 cedis, 50 pesos. So I write it here 10 cedis. There's 2 zeros. then 2 points, that's it. So 2 cedis 50. It is not in subtraction. We are going to use when you are asked to find the total amount, so it is in addition. So we add it to find the total costs or the amount spent in the market. So we add 0 plus 0 will give us 0. 0 plus 5 will give us 5. Then 0 plus 2 will give us 2. Then this one here, there's nothing here. So you step down the 1. Then remember to bring the point here, which will give us 12 cedis, 50 pesos. Now let's look at the second question. The second question, question number 2. Amma had 100 cedis. She bought a dress and had 3 cedis. 10 pesos left with her. How much did the dress cost? So she had 100 cedis on her or with her, and then later, after buying the goods or the dress, 3 cedis, 10 pesos was left with her. So she came home, realized that she wants to know the amount that she spent in the market. So she has written her 100 cedis, 100 cedis. That is the money she carried along, and then the money left with her is 3 cedi, 10 pesos. So 10 pesos, sorry, 10 pesos. So now we are asked to find the amount that the cost of the dress. So we don't know the cost of the dress, but we know the amount that she carried along, and we know the amount that is left with her. So I bring it here. 100, the 2 zeros, and then I bring this one, which is 3.10 pesos. Now I have to take 3. Now 100, I have to take 3 cedis, 10 pesos away from 100 cedis to get the cost of the dress. So I am going to do it like this. So here, 0 take away 0 will be 0. 1 take away 0, you cannot go. So here we come here. We are going to, in mathematics, when the number that is at the top is lesser than the one at the down, we borrow 1, which is 10. So I am going to take this one here, add it to this 0, that will give me 10. Now I have to move on until I get here. So this one is 10. I am going to take 1 from the 10, the 9 is left here. So I add it to this one, I get my 10 here. Now, this is not my final destination. I am going to move to the next one. So if I move next one, I am going to take 1. So 9 will be left. So here will be, I add 1 to here, to this 0, it will be 10. Now, I'm going to subtract 1 from 10, which will give me 9. Then I bring my points here. What is left here is 9. So 9 minus 3 will give me 6. So here, nothing is here. So I step down the 9. Here, there is nothing here because I've added this one to the 0. So my final answer is 96 cedis, 90 pesos. So now let's look at the last question. The last question says, Adu bought the last question. Okay, Adu bought a bag for 15 cedis, a shirt for 30 cedis, and a suit for 50 cedis. He gave 2 50 Ghana cedis notes. How much did she get back? So here we look at what she bought. Bag, she bought bag, which cost 15 cedis, and then she also bought a shirt which costs 30 cedis, and then finally she bought suits which cost him 50 cedis. Now we have to add it. But when we add this, let's add this, the 2 zeros here, 0 0 0 0 and the 0 0. when we are dealing with transaction, remember to bring the 2 zeros. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 will give us 0. This will give us 0. And here there is nothing here, so we have 0. So this is 5 plus this will give us 8. And then we step down. Let me do it like this. Yes. Let me do it like this. 15. So, sorry. I have my 30 here and I have my 50. Yes. This one will be correct. So I have 5 here. Sorry. I have 5 here. The point here, 5 plus 0 will give me 5. 1 plus 3 will give me 4 plus 5 will give me 9. So my answer is 95. That is the cost of all that she bought. Now we are going to look at this. He said he gave 250. 250, not 250. We have 250 Ghana cedi notes. So it means that we all know 50 Ghana cedi notes, which is 2. She had 2. So that is 2 times 50. That will give us 100 cedis. She has 250 Ghana cedis notes. 2. So we are going to multiply these 2 times the 50. That will give us 100 cedis. So now to find how much she get back, we have to take 95 cedis away from 95. Okay, so this is how we are going to do it, which will be minus 100 minus 95. So 0 take away 0, 0, 0 take away 0, 0. Now we have this one, 5 take away 0. So we add 1 to this one, making it 10. This is not our final destination, so we move 1 from the 10, yet we have 9 is left here, and we move 1 to the 0, that will give us 10. So now 10 minus 5 will give us 5. What we have here is 9. Sorry, what we have here is 9. So 9 minus 9 will give us 0. So our final answer is 5 cedis. So the question is, how much did she get back? So the amount that she got back is 5 cedis. I hope you understand the lesson of the day. Take good care of yourself and study hard. Bye bye.